Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, the day is finally here. We're moving. So right now it is 7 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. to take a shower, and I am moving from my hometown to a town near Hoboken, and I am really excited. Specifically, I'm moving to Jersey City. But with that being said, I have to go into my house right now and I have to grab all of my stuff. I'm not going to lie, I have no idea how I'm going to get all this stuff from point A to point B. My mom and dad, my boyfriend, and all my friends were gonna come. However, my brother really fractured his leg last night playing football, so my parents can't come in the morning, and I only have my car right now, and I have way too much stuff. So we're already off to a little bit of a bad start, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make the most of it. I paid my rent last night, so I'm all set. I just have to go get my keys, and then I'm going to move into my apartment, and I'm so excited. I'm going to do an empty apartment tour for you guys, and then I'm going to move in and get everything set up, and then I'll have different videos of me like setting up my kitchen, setting up my room, setting up my bathroom, and everything like that. So with all that being said, that is what this video is going to be, and let's get into the video because I'm so excited, and I have to be there at 9 and it's 7 and I'm not even at my house yet to get the stuff in my car. Me and Chad are gonna move in, and we're probably going to take a lot of trips back and forth because it's the only way we can. My friends are actually working right now, so they're coming later, so it's gonna be an interesting type of situation, but we're gonna make the best of it. So this is my first ever apartment. I'm so excited. I'm moving around like 35 to 40 minutes from my hometown, and I think I talked enough. Subscribe if you want to see more moving content, and let's get into this video. My TV almost fell on the floor, so that was not good. That's why I screamed. But I didn't pack efficiently, and this might be a problem. Update, I can't figure out how to get my dad's car seats down, so that's what I'm currently trying to do. Chad is upstairs putting everything in boxes because I left everything in Amazon boxes that I ordered, and it just didn't like consolidate space, which was really not a good idea. So that's what he's doing. My mom's helping my brother right now. She was helping us before, but obviously his needs have to come first right now. This is currently what the car looks like. It's literally jam-packed. I just packed up the car with Chad and my mom, and now we're going to head to the apartment. Not all my stuff fits, and all my furniture is still not in the car, just the bed frame is, and one of the mirrors and the stools, but everything else that I'm taking from my house isn't in the car. So we do have to come back for that, but my other friends are coming later, like I told you guys, so that's what we're gonna do. But right now, we're gonna go get the keys. I love you. We just got to the apartment. I'm going to go meet the lady now and get the keys. I just got the key to my apartment. It looks so nice. I'm so excited, and I'll give you guys a quick little glimpse, but I'll have an empty apartment tour up so you guys can go watch that. I really like it. It looks really clean. They painted everything, which I'm really appreciative of, and yeah, so we're gonna go start moving everything in. Of all the things that are shining new, I'm the dull stone at the bottom of a pool, tossed by the jealous waves of the sea. I'm not as strong as I appear to be. Run by the deepest depths of the lake. We have this and also this to move everything in, so that'll be helpful. We're gonna do my car first.
Don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever.
We are moving all the cars in like I told you, and the like hotel carts that they have, the wheels are weird. Like the wheels are annoying. Like they don't go straight. It's like twisting and turning every 2 seconds. But we are making some progress. I just texted my friends to see if they could come earlier, but we're gonna see. But right now we're just going to keep unloading the car and getting everything into the apartment, and then we'll start like unboxing, and then we'll go back home later depending on when my friends could help us, because everything else is kind of like furniture, so we need help actually lifting it. And then my mom's gonna make an appearance at some time today. I don't know when, it depends on when she's done with my brother, but that is currently the status. Chad's being a big help. He's lifting all the big stuff that I can't lift, but for right now, we're going to get back to this. All these boxes just fell, so we took them off that thing and put them in here because they literally just fell right here and made the biggest sound, and I thought the elevator was gonna fall, so we put the boxes here. This is my bed frame that I got from IKEA. My bed is getting delivered later, but it's really long, if you guys can see, so basically we're gonna have to build this and all the stools and everything before the bed comes, so all the boxes are out of the way. This is very accurate. We just got everything out of the car. This isn't everything, but this is like most of the boxes from my house, and now we're gonna probably start unboxing and see what is where. Right now, Chad is going to build the bed frame, and I am going to just start unboxing things and figure out what is where, and if Chad needs help, I will obviously help him. And we're also going to order food because we're literally starving.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls. Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you, and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new.
We're making progress on the bed, or Chad's making progress on the bed. We're taking a little lunch break. I got penne vodka, or I think this is cavatelli, with vodka sauce and some chicken, and Chad got grilled chicken parm with whole wheat penne, and then just some bread and some grated cheese. As for progress, this is what the bed looks like, and the floor looks a mess still, but I'll update you guys after lunch. Let's do a little taste test. Actually really good. I'm trying to film as much as I can for you guys. It's a little hectic over here just because it is just me and Chad right now still, but Chad's still doing the bed, he's doing the drawers for them, and I'm just still unboxing all the boxes. Here's a little glimpse of everything that I've been unboxing, and then I just put together this garbage can and have my pans and my bath mat and garbage can over here. It took about like an hour and a half, but bed is done. We are making progress. It is now 1:10. Chad did a good job, and there's like little drawers on the bottom, so this is really good for storage. There's 3 of them, and now we're still gonna unbox boxes, and Chad has to build stools and put up like my TV and my mirror still because I have no idea how to do that, and he does. Currently putting everything that I need to wash in the dishwasher in the sink. My mom is coming in a little bit, I think at like 3 or 4, and they are going to bring me dishwasher soap, so I'm waiting to wash all that because it's from boxes and I want it all clean. I got this mirror from IKEA, and I'm going to put it right here, and then I still have to get a piece to go underneath, but I think it'll look really nice there. Chad is going to build this stool. These are the bar stools that are going to go here, and then we also just moved this little table to be centered with the bed because I moved it over a little bit just so I have more room for my desk to go over there. I just unpacked this box, and I got like 20 little spice jars, and I'm going to label them and have them displayed really nice in my cabinet, and I just wanted to show you guys because I'm so excited about them. And it comes with like labels and stuff over here, I believe. This is like the labeler, or the pen to like write the labels, and then this thing is actually, I think, a funnel to get the spices in the jar easier. So I do have to wash all these, so I'm gonna wait, but I'm really excited about this and I wanted to show you guys. Chad is still building that stool over there, and I just put hangers up in my closet, but I'm gonna make another video on my closet. This is the first little stool, and then I have another one. This is from IKEA. Chad said it was a lot easier than the bed to make, so that's good, but that's the first stool, and he's gonna make the second one now. little paper towel holder. It was weird that I had to build it, but I built it. So I put some pillows under there because I'm waiting for my bed to be delivered. And I also wanted to show you guys, I got this little cute flower dish. I don't know what I'm gonna put on it, but I got it from Etsy and I thought it was adorable. Right now I have some more hangers, so I'm going to unbox those and put them in my closet. Okay, excuse the mess, but Chad finished building this stool as well. So we have this stool and that stool. We just have to lower this one, and now we're going to try to get rid of all these boxes so that the next load could come in. I just put that garbage can there and the scale there, and I'm just going to put the bath mat here, and then I'm going to make a whole other video on like decorating. I just want to get everything out of the way. So cute. We are taking the last set of boxes out. Everything else is pretty clean for the most part, and that's just the TV, the stand, and then some shelves that we have to hang up. Waiting for my mom to come with her car now to bring in the rest of the stuff. Together a vacuum. I'm currently waiting for my bed to be delivered. We're going to start the decorating process. So basically what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm going to include the decorating process, as in like putting up some LED lights and like light decorating work. And then in other videos, I'm gonna go into organization. So I'll have kitchen organization, bathroom organization, and then I'll do a whole apartment tour. And I will also film a video about my closet as well. And then just like going on shopping runs, food shopping runs, stuff like that, and just other stuff I need for the apartment. It took me a little while to figure out how to put the vacuum together, not going to lie, that was embarrassing. But like I said, it's 3:33 right now. Oh my gosh, that's an angel number. Waiting for my mom to come, they're not here yet. She's bringing my aunt because my dad and my brother obviously can't come because my brother needs somebody to help him with his leg. Chad is lining my underneath of my cabinets with LED lights, and then we'll put it like around the microwave and put it all the way over there, and then that way as well. I think that would look really cool because it would like make it look like the light is coming down. So that is what we're doing right now. This is what it looks like when the LED lights are on. I'll probably have them purple or red most of the time, but I think it looks really cool. Had to Uber Eats Starbucks because I just needed it right now. So I got a strawberry acai with water, and Chad got egg bites and then a pineapple refresher. We are now putting up these shelves. Chad is going to try and figure out where to put them, but we're not sure yet. Originally, I was going to put them on this wall, which was where my desk was going to be, but that's not going to work because that's where my TV is going, and then it's gonna look too cluttered if they're there, and the closet is in the way there, so Chad's gonna figure it out. Here, so we're going to go downstairs to let the delivery guy in, and then we are going to have him deliver the bed. I'm excited, but I'll keep you guys updated. I also just filled my dishwasher with all of the stuff that I need to wash because my mom's coming with dishwasher soap, so I can actually wash it now. Mattress was delivered, and I like the bed like this because it allows us to kind of like sit on the bed either way, so we can lay this way or lay that way, and it's good for like kind of like a couch bed, but it's actually like a real mattress, which I like. And then again, I'm gonna have the TV there. But now we're just going to keep unboxing stuff because my mom's here.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall.
My mom and my aunt just left. They were a huge help. They cleaned a lot of my stuff. I have stuff still in the dishwasher, and then I did start a load of laundry, and I started putting some cups and stuff like that away. Right now, me and Chad are going to head to Home Depot. We need to get butterfly anchors and then some other things as well, and then we also have to run to Target later. My friends Madison and Drew are coming now to also help and see the apartment.
3 years, 11 months.
This is what the kitchen looks like at night, like with the lights. I really like it. As for Home Depot, we just got some anchors and screws, and I got some Pringles as well. And then I also just got some like command hooks. I got a magic eraser and then some batteries, and we're gonna go to Target later. My friends are here now though, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. Excuse the lighting, but I just had a full-on panic attack. After we went to Home Depot, I stopped at a convenience store and I lost my phone, and I literally could not find it anywhere. I don't know why, I just didn't let Chad call me, but I got really anxious. And then I almost got pulled over by a cop, and that made it worse. So now I'm just trying to calm down. My whole body was literally shaking. So I'm trying to calm down. Chad's going to let my friends in, and we'll take it from there.